Welcome to My Schneider Focus on Quote to Order. Please note the experience may differ slightly by country. On your overview page, click Quotes in the menu or View all quotes to access the full quote list. Select the quote you want to convert into an order. Click Convert to Order. Review shipping details and type in your purchase order number. Select all the products included in your quote and adjust product quantities. Once done, click Create Order. A confirmation message appears with a link to the order status. You can also click Orders in the menu to access your order status anytime. Thank you. Watch the other videos on quote details, quote request, and more.